Dispose of it down the toilet, and you'll bid farewell to bad luck, poverty, or financial scarcity forever. Keep in mind that everything originates from home, the cornerstone of your life. The toilet, being a pivotal area, allows both negative and positive energies to enter and exit. Hence, exercising caution in this specific household space is crucial. Today, I'll introduce a ritual, a method to eliminate stagnant negative energy from your home by flushing it down the toilet. This action will not only cleanse your living space, but also send the negativity far away from your life. This, in turn, paves the way for abundance to flow in, allowing the wealth you've envisioned for a long time to manifest. So, stick around until the end of this video. It might seem incredulous that a simple ritual like garbage disposal could swiftly bring financial results. However, stay with me because this is supported by science. Quantum physics teaches us that the external world reflects the internal world. Positive changes in energy, beliefs, and emotions manifest outward changes. Unfortunately, negative inner forces attract adverse circumstances, keeping people stuck in cycles of debt. Clearing away physical waste in your home symbolically empowers you to clear away harmful energy, breaking free from financial entrapment. Combining this cleansing ritual with positive affirmations, visualization, and intention turbocharges its effectiveness by actively installing fresh prosperity programming into your subconscious mind. If you're skeptical, I urge you to try it for yourself. But first, let me share how a simple act of flushing 1 clove of garlic changed my financial situation practically overnight. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. When I was grappling with burdensome debt after losing my corporate job, the situation seemed dire. Losing my stable income overnight left me in despair as bills piled up. Manifestation attempts through prayer and positive thinking felt futile. As the debt vortex sucked me deeper into despair, I questioned the efficacy of these methods. Just when I reached the darkest emotional point, a call from my friend James changed everything. James hinted at a seemingly crazy solution that involved a clove of garlic. Intrigued, I listened as he recounted how this ritual had saved his family's house during a layoff. His emotional details built empathy, creating trust in the forthcoming garlic ritual solution. In the next section, he reveals the extraordinary claim, wiping out all debt overnight using just a clove of garlic. James explained the ritual step by step, emphasizing the importance of cleanliness in the bathroom, especially the toilet lid closure. He linked toilets in a community or building, warning about the potential influx of energetic waste. The ritual involved a fresh garlic clove with details of the primary debt source and amount written on it. Cinnamon was added for prosperity, and the clove was flushed down the toilet while visualizing debt vanishing. Skeptical yet financially desperate, I decided to try the garlic ritual. Scribbling my debt details on the garlic, sprinkling cinnamon, and repeating the affirmation, I flushed the clove with a mix of emotions. Little did I know that the following morning, my $12,346 debt had miraculously transformed to zero. Overwhelmed with gratitude and a newfound sense of hope, I realized the power of this unconventional financial remedy. The inexplicable transformation of my $12,346 debt to a blissful zero left me dumbfounded, but gratitude overwhelmed any disbelief. As I processed this financial miracle, another call came, further propelling me into the realm of the extraordinary. It was a job offer. Unexpected, timely, and precisely what I needed. The dream I had, where a briefcase of cash materialized, now seemed like a prophetic glimpse into the positive changes heading my way. The universe, it appeared, was aligning in my favor. With renewed hope and a newfound sense of financial stability, I embraced the opportunity. The new job not only brought in a steady income, but also opened doors to unexpected avenues of prosperity. Colleagues turned into mentors, and I found myself involved in projects that not only paid well, but also fueled my passion. The once debilitating cycle of debt now felt like a distant memory. The garlic ritual, though initially met with skepticism, had become a turning point in my life. It wasn't just about the physical act of flushing away a clove of garlic. It was a symbolic release of financial burdens and a shift in mindset. Emboldened by my own experience, I shared the ritual with friends and family who were facing financial challenges. To my surprise, similar success stories began to emerge. It wasn't mere coincidence. It was as if the energy shift catalyzed by this ritual had a ripple effect, touching the lives of those willing to try. The power of intention, combined with a simple yet profound act, had unlocked a pathway to abundance. The garlic ritual wasn't just a mystical practice. It was a reminder that our beliefs and actions have the potential to shape our reality. So, as you embark on this journey, remember that the universe has a way of responding to your intentions. Embrace the possibilities that await, and who knows, a simple clove of garlic might just be the key to unlocking your own financial transformation. As I reflect on this extraordinary chapter of my life, I encourage you to consider the power within your reach. Whether through rituals, affirmations, or mindful practices, the ability to manifest positive change resides within you. So, stay open to the unexpected, believe in the magic of transformation, and watch as your life unfolds in ways you never thought possible.